Today you have assembled fuel pump Yanmar 68N330 engine fuel pump we make assemble. At first we have put in plunger. After putting plunger, then we need to measurement in the depth. Measurement we put in the lock nut. Okay, now we put another lock nut for the plunger. Now we put in the fuel rack side properly. So that is free. Now we put in control slip and must be careful looking the marking. After that we can fix it. Okay, now control slip went inside. Okay, after we check the marking. Now we are putting the slip cover. Now we put in spring inside. Now we are putting the plunger barrel. Now we put in the cover. Now we insert the tool and press. So we will press this tool. So plunger going inside, then we tighten.